Hi, everybody out there. Um, right now, I'm going to go over how to install or how to use the irismagic USB thumb drive. We went to the thumb drive because DVDs are pretty much no longer being offered in most computer systems, and also because everyone is using tablets and uh, phones and other devices, portable devices. So what we did, we just decided to go use a thumb drive to deliver all our client um, photos and videos. Um, so first, what you want to do, get your thumb drive that you received from us, and then go ahead and plug it into your PC. Okay. All right. Next thing you want to do is go. We want to go to iTunes if you don't already have it installed. And iTunes can be installed on your Windows or Mac computers. And if you have an iPod or iPhone or any type of iOS device, um, you shouldn't need to install because it's already installed on those devices. You can also use it on Android devices and Windows phone devices as well. But in some instances, you won't have all the functionality like chapter markers or the ability to jump between scenes. Um, but other than that, what we want to do is open our web browser. All right, and I'm on a Mac now. The same instructions apply to Windows, except that I think you use Windows Explorer or File Explorer. Um, so open your web browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use Internet Explorer or Safari. Uh, go to or have it open www. Type in your bar up here www.apple.com uh, backslash iTunes, and you'll be taken to this page here. You should click enter, and it'll automatically take you to the Apple website iTunes page. And right here at the top right hand corner here, click on download iTunes. I don't believe you have to enter your email address, but enter your email address if you want to receive updates and stuff. Click download now, and then after it's done downloading, it should be in your downloads folder. If you're on a Mac, open your Finder right where it says favorites here at the top of your Finder. Click on downloads, and then find the file. It should say iTunes, and click on it. It's already installed on my computer, so what we'll do is I'll just jump ahead and then actually open iTunes. To open iTunes, you go to the applications folder in your Finder. Right here, where it says favorites, click on applications and find iTunes and double click on it. Mine is already open. Another quick way you can also access iTunes is to hit the launch pad. This is my favorite feature to launch application because all your applications are right there. Open iTunes. Okay, so you see mine is already open. So next thing you want to do is once iTunes is open, you want to go to the left tab here, or left sidebar here, where it says library, and click on movies. Okay. Um, and then you want to open your Finder window by clicking on the icon on the navigation bar down here. And then go to where it says devices here, click on your thumb drive icon. It should have your name on it. Um, and in this instance, this is a wedding I just finished. You'll see all your files in there. So what you want to do is you want to select them all by just clicking and selecting, or you can just hit Command A, and it will select all the files, and then drag them over like so into your into this icons or into your iTunes. All right. I already did it. It might take a little bit to copy it because what it's going to do is copy it to your internal iTunes library. Um, Now, fast forwarding ahead, since I've already copied them to iTunes, what you'll see in the movies section here on your libraries is that all your files here. So here's the wedding that I just did. Another better way to organize your files too is you can also click on this plus icon here at the down at the bottom and create a new playlist. Okay, and um, and then you just click on it. One click on it, it will highlight the text, and then you can make just name it. It's kind of like a folder. Um, Name it whatever you want. This is the name of the couple's wedding I just did, and then just hit enter, and it will save. And then what you can do is you can go back to the movies folder under the library section heading there, and then take your files. If you click on one of them, you can hold down, I believe it's Control. Nope, I'm sorry. I think it's Command, and then hold down Command, and you can select multiple files individually if you have more than, if your folders aren't neatly organized, or your files aren't neatly organized in the window. Oops, let's say click on it. Sorry about that. And then you want to take them, you can release the command button, and then select them and drag them into the playlist you created. And that's why, and now you can see they're nicely organized. So now what you can do now, the cool thing about iTunes, it automatically will read the chapter markers. So what you do is you go, just click on, this is a wedding ceremony. I click on it. And if you hover, don't click, but just hover down toward the bottom of the video here, you can click on this icon here, and you will see all the chapter markers. You can jump ahead so you don't have to watch the entire video. Say you want to see the, Kiss the Bride, for example. Click on it, and so it jumps ahead just like a regular DVD. So that's pretty much it. And have any questions, go ahead and feel free to call us or email me at emery@irismagic.com. That's EMERY at irismagic.com. All right, thanks. Bye.